Oh, hello there. I didn't see you. Come on in. Welcome to proper BeeTX etiquette with me, Mr.Max. Today we'll be taking a look at how to properly remove and install the BeeTX. Always make sure you use the proper tools for the test. To properly remove the BeeTX, first ensure that your receiver antenna is out of the way. Then firmly but gently grasp the front and back sides of the BeeTX, like so. With a gentle rocking motion, front and back pull out the pins on the BeeTX. Careful not to pull out one side before pulling out the other. To reseat the BeeTX, carefully line up the pins on both sides, ensuring that none of the pins protrude outside, and gently, without crushing the antenna, push all of the pins in simultaneously. Thank you for joining me, Mr. Max, for proper BeeTX etiquette. Have an exquisite day